Hey, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of cryptocurrencies and uncovering some secrets for successful investing. But before we jump into the strategies, let's start by understanding the cryptocurrency market. What are cryptocurrencies? Cryptocurrencies are digital or virtual currencies that use cryptography for security. Unlike traditional currencies issued by governments, cryptocurrencies operate on decentralized networks based on blockchain technology. This technology ensures that transactions are secure, transparent, and cannot be altered. How do cryptocurrencies work? Cryptocurrencies work through a decentralized ledger known as the blockchain. When a transaction occurs, it is recorded on the blockchain and verified by a network of computers, nodes. This verification process ensures the integrity and security of the transaction, eliminating the need for intermediaries like banks. Cryptocurrencies offer several unique features, such as 1. Decentralization. No central authority governs or controls cryptocurrencies. 2. Anonymity. Users can make transactions without revealing their identities. 3. Limited supply. Most cryptocurrencies have a fixed supply, like Bitcoin's 21 million coins, which can impact their value over time. But now let's see how to conduct in-depth research. Importance of research. Now that we understand the basics, let's move on to our first secret for successful cryptocurrency investing: conducting in-depth research, analyzing use cases and white papers. When researching cryptocurrencies, it's essential to understand the use cases. A use case explains the practical applications of a cryptocurrency and how it aims to solve real-world problems. Additionally, read the project's white paper, a document that outlines the cryptocurrency's goals, technology, and development roadmap. Assessing development teams. The success of a cryptocurrency project often relies on the strength of its development team. Research the team members' backgrounds, experience, and their contributions to the project. A solid and experienced team can significantly influence the project's potential for success. Evaluating market sentiment. Market sentiment refers to the overall feeling or attitude of investors towards a specific cryptocurrency. Monitor social media, forums, and news to gauge sentiment. Positive sentiment may indicate growing interest and potential price appreciation, while negative sentiment could signal caution or a potential downturn. Now let's see how to diversify your portfolio strategically. Diversification, the secret sauce. Welcome to the next secret: strategic portfolio diversification. Diversification involves spreading your investments across various cryptocurrencies to reduce risk. Considering market capitalization. Market capitalization is the total value of a cryptocurrency. When diversifying, consider allocating a larger portion of your portfolio to established cryptocurrencies with high market capitalization and a solid track record. Diversifying across industry sectors. Cryptocurrencies operate in various industry sectors, such as finance, healthcare, and gaming. Diversifying across sectors can help you capture growth opportunities in different industries. Assessing risk tolerance. Diversification should align with your risk tolerance. If you have a higher risk tolerance, you might consider allocating a smaller portion of your portfolio to riskier, but potentially high-reward cryptocurrencies. Now let's recognize the power of niche coins. The hidden potential of niche coins. Our next secret reveals the potential of niche coins, lesser-known cryptocurrencies with unique value propositions. Researching niche projects. Niche coins often represent specific projects or use cases. Research these projects thoroughly to understand their goals, target audience, and how they differentiate themselves from more established cryptocurrencies. Impact of niche coins in the future. Niche coins may have significant growth potential as their technologies mature and gain adoption. Early investments in projects with real-world applications could result in substantial returns in the long term. Emotions and cryptocurrency investing. Emotional discipline is critical in the world of cryptocurrency investing. Fear and greed can lead to hasty decisions, which may impact your investment outcomes. Avoiding emotional trading. Avoid making impulsive decisions based on short-term market fluctuations or sensational news. Stay focused on your long-term investment goals and maintain a rational approach to trading. Setting clear investment goals. Setting clear investment goals helps manage emotions by providing a roadmap for your investment journey. Define your risk tolerance, desired returns, and investment time horizon to stay on track. Now let's see how to time the market wisely. Timing the market, a tricky endeavor. Timing the cryptocurrency market is challenging and often leads to missed opportunities or losses. Instead, focus on strategic buying and a disciplined investment approach. Dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is an investment strategy where you invest a fixed amount of money at regular intervals, regardless of market conditions. This approach can help reduce the impact of market volatility on your investments, the long-term view. Cryptocurrency markets can be highly volatile in the short term. Embrace a long-term view, and remember that cryptocurrency's potential lies in their disruptive and transformative nature over time. Now let's see how to securely store your cryptocurrencies. Prioritizing cryptocurrency security. Now, we turn our focus to another critical secret, ensuring the security of your cryptocurrencies. Types of wallets. There are various types of wallets, including hardware wallets, software wallets, and mobile wallets. Hardware wallets are considered the most secure since they store your private keys offline, safeguarding private keys. Your private keys are essential for accessing and managing your cryptocurrencies. Keep them secure and never share them with anyone. Consider storing them offline in a secure location. Ladies and gentlemen, now let's uncover hidden gems with tokenomics, the power of tokenomics. Tokenomics refers to the economic and incentive structure of a cryptocurrency. Understanding tokenomics can help you identify promising projects with strong fundamentals, token utility, and use cases. Token utility defines the role of a cryptocurrency within its ecosystem. Research how a token is used, its purpose, and the value it brings to the network, distribution models, and scarcity. Distribution models impact a cryptocurrency's value and scarcity. Limited supply or controlled inflation can influence its long-term potential. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to investing in cryptocurrencies, unveiling secrets, and sharing expert advice to navigate this exciting market. Remember, cryptocurrency investing carries risks, and it's crucial to do your own research, understand your risk tolerance, and make informed decisions. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for joining us, and until next time, happy investing, and may your crypto ventures be prosperous.